still have a lot of things to do, and right now it's raining at the ruin. So follow us at this channel, support this channel. It will be a pleasure to show you what's going on here. Look at that. Bye. Hello, we are a family of Brazilians who purchased a ruin near Lisbon, Portugal. We are sharing our experiences. Are you on board? Follow our journey. Okay, let's start showing you the floor plan. We did the same at the previous episode, remember? At the brown space is the room that we cleaned before, and now in the white filled rectangle you see the cleaning process for the other room. Enjoy it! Hello, hello! As you saw, there is a lot of things to do, still have a lot of things to do. So our intention is show you the progress. What are you doing here at the ruin to transform this house in a home, transform this in a home. Please subscribe, follow us, support this channel. It will be a pleasure to receive your support here. Thank you very much, and see you at the other episode. Bye.